Well, we're gonna put this in the boiling water. We're gonna wait until the water is boiled. It's boiling, then we're gonna put this in, okay? So we're just gonna wait a couple more seconds. It's sizzling right now. So we're gonna wait, but this is the kind of brand that we like. And we're gonna put it in there. So once it softens up, then we can drain it, and then we're gonna use it for the spring roll. Okay, since this noodle has been cooked for 10 minutes, it's soft. And don't let it overcook, okay? Because if you overcook, the noodle's gonna break off into short little pieces, and you don't want that, okay? So now it's good to work with. So we're gonna take it out of the stove, and then we're gonna soak it in cold water, okay? Make sure you soak in cold water. We're gonna dump it in here. And then we're gonna drain it. Okay. So now we're just gonna drain the noodles. And then after we drain them, make sure that it's fully drained so it's not wet, okay? What I'm doing here is peeling the crab meat. You can get the imitation crab from the Walmart stores or any kind of food store. And what I'm doing here is I'm just shredding these so we can put it in our spring rolls. You can also use shrimp. Usually you can buy the cooked ones. You can soak it in hot water until it's soft and ready to use. You can just use about anything you like. And this is the lettuce that we're going to put in there too. And we also have cucumbers that we're going to use, but actually I have to peel them off. And then we're going to use carrots too, and I'm going to peel that off too. But I'll show you in a little bit, okay? Okay, right now I'm peeling the cucumbers. You can get the cucumbers from any food stores. And what I'm doing here is just peeling it because we're going to use it for the spring roll also. This is what I'm going to do with the cucumber, okay? We're going to do the same thing. Peel it into thin slices like that, okay? And make sure it's nice and thin. If you don't like it like this, you can also shred it too. But with the cucumbers, it's best if you slice it like that. So it's long, it has long strips. You can do it all the way until you get to the core, to the seed. And then you can stop. Usually we don't put the seed in there because it's seedy, and so we don't like it in there. So now I'm peeling the carrots, and we're gonna do the same thing. You can also peel it with the peeler, and then we're gonna do the same thing. You can either do this, or if you don't like that long way, you can use it with this one, okay? This is another peeler that we do, but it also shreds. And if you like it this way, it has smaller pieces, smaller pieces. Okay, this is the meatballs that we get from the Asian stores. If you don't like meat, you don't have to use it, but I like it, so we prefer to use this kind of meatball. It's big. It's actually frozen, so you have to soak it in hot water and thaw it out. And then you can cut it up. I'm gonna try to cut it up here. I'm gonna show you what it looks like inside. There's many different brands and different kinds. You can go to the frozen aisle and ask them for it. So it's like a big chunk of meatball, okay? And it's like this. So what I'm gonna do is gonna cut it up into halves. It's still frozen, so you can soak it until it's soft. When it's soft to use, you can cut into thin slices, okay? Like that. Just make sure you don't cut your fingers while you're doing this. Okay? And then if you don't like it too big like that, you can cut into smaller strips. Okay, I'm just slicing this up still. You can use any kind of meat if you like. If you are a vegetarian, you can just use it with, just don't use meat. But if you are a meat lover, you can buy any kind of meat. It has to be cooked, okay? Whenever, if you can buy chickens or pork or beef, or, you know, any kind of meat you like, but just make sure you cook it before you use it up for the spring roll. Always, you know, you can always saute your own, cook up your own meat if you like, and flavor them in any kind of flavor you like. But for me, I just like things plain and simple. That's pre-cooked, so I can just put it in my spring roll. The many different wrappers that we have. For now, we have 2. You can buy this from Amazon. We have a link down there that you can go and order from there, or else if you don't want to order from there, you can go buy from your local Asian stores, okay? And these are the brands that we have. There's many different brands that you can use, but make sure that it's for spring rolls, okay? So next I'm gonna show you how to soak this. I'm gonna take one piece out, soak it in warm water, okay? Okay, this is all my ingredients that I have cut up and prepped and ready to go for my spring roll. I have carrots. You can shred into little pieces or thin slices. And I have cucumbers. And then I have noodles. Fried eggs. You just scramble them and just cut them to thin slices, long pieces like that. And then I have my meatloaf or meatballs, the long pieces. Then I have crab meat and shrimp. You can use any kind of shrimp as long as it's cooked. You can use jumbo shrimp or small, medium size, whatever you like. If you don't like meat or whatever, you don't have to use it. But if you like it, you can go ahead and use it. So I'm going to show you how to do this one. First, I'm going to put some noodles on it. Just like that. You don't have to use a lot, just use a little bit. 2 pieces of cucumbers, some carrots, and some crab meat, some eggs, meatballs, and some lettuce, and then 3 pieces of shrimp, okay? So this is how you wrap. You gotta make sure that the wrap is nice and soft. Just like that. As you roll, you gotta make sure it's nice and tight, snug, okay? And fold the ends. Just like that. There you go. Okay, now I'm gonna make another one. Just demonstrate how to do it. So just in case you still don't understand how to do it, which is not very hard, just grab some noodles. You don't have to grab noodles first. You can grab whatever you want first, okay? It's just whatever you want. Just don't put too much, because if you put too much, you won't be able to roll it up, okay? You can go any order you want. Just like that. With the lettuce, you can cut it up into like thin, small slices. Oh, I forgot the shrimp. Can't forget that. And then you're just gonna wrap it. When you wrap, you gotta make sure you push it back and nice and tight, okay? And fold the ends on both sides. You gotta hold it. Just make sure you don't hold it too tight, because you can rip the wraps too, okay? There you go. Okay, this is the final step of it. It's all made. For the sauce, we use the sweet chili sauce, and this is the bottle that we bought from the Asian store. You can also buy from Amazon, and if you click the link below, you will see where it is and where you can order them. And it looks spicy, but it's actually not. It is sweet, okay? That's why they call it sweet chili sauce. And you can buy from any local Asian stores or, you know, from Amazon. And for this one, it's spicy sauce with ground chili and cilantro in there. And then this is a fish sauce that I use. It's a fish brand. There's lots of fish sauce with different brand names, and you can also buy from Amazon too. Okay, and what in it is it? Just fish sauce, creamy peanut butter, and ground chili peppers inside. Okay, and that's all we have. This is really spicy. If you like spicy food or sauce, you can dip it in there. And this is really sweet. So if you like, you can use either or. And I'm gonna try one, okay? Okay, so thank you for watching. And please share and subscribe below. We will have more videos of how to make more food coming up. Thank you.